Hello everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Carissa, or Aligned by Carissa, and today I'm going to be walking you through a couple of light stretches. First off, we're going to rise our hands all the way up to the sky and then lower them all the way down to the mat. Really let your upper body hang here and feel the stretch in the backs of your legs. I'm now going to bend my knees and step back so we're now in downward facing dog. I'm going to lift my left leg all the way up and then bend my knee and draw out a couple of circles. Also make sure that you're alternating directions. This practice is really going to help open up your hip flexors. I'm now switching to my right leg, doing the same thing, bending the knee and drawing out some circles. From here, I'm lowering back down into downward facing dog, and then I'm going to be lowering into tabletop position and then eventually going into child's pose. Here, I'm just going to take a couple of breaths after doing these stretches because it can be a little bit hard on your arms and it's definitely very strengthening. I encourage you to spend as much time here as you need. Remember that this is your practice, so take what you need from it. We're now going to be moving on to our side body stretch, so we're going to be taking our left arm and reaching it all the way over to our right feet. You're really going to feel this one in your side torso and hamstrings. Moving on to our left leg, we are reaching our right arm all the way over and trying to grab our toes. This is really going to engage our muscles, flexing our feet upwards. You're really going to feel the stretch in your hamstrings. We're now going to be getting into butterfly pose, but increasing this stretch, we're going to walk our hands all the way down, trying to place our head on the mat. Closing out this practice, I just want to thank you all so much for being here, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this light stretch. I hope that you'll come back on Thursdays to watch more of my OFTV videos. All the love, you guys.